Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to be showing you through this little box, which is going to be my August shop update. If you're watching this now, then the shop update has just the second gone live. It's going to go live on the 19th at 4 PM UK time, and these are all the bits that I've been making over the past couple of weeks whilst I've been waiting for my Kickstarter funds to come through. They actually came through today, so now I'm going to be ordering with my manufacturer for my pins and stuff, and I just thought it would be a bit of fun to go through this and show you all the things that I have been making for this shop update. So this is actually my second Etsy shop update. I haven't had my Etsy shop for very long. It's new and kind of thing, but obviously I've been making for absolute years. It's just a new store, so yeah, I thought I would show you what I've got made up for that. If I open this up, you can see I've already bagged everything ready to go so that when the orders come in, I can package them up as quick as possible, just get them all bubble wrapped up, like, you know, and they're protected, so if I touch them now, they're not going to get any dirty, anything like that. So I made a bunch of charms, and then I made a few keychains to go along with it as well. I've used up every single bit of polymer clay I own, so yeah, I really need to sell these pieces and then restock on my clay and my UV resin, as well as a few paints. So first of all, I have a bunch of these little mountain polymer clay charms. I just made 3 of these because I thought they were so cute. They have the iridescent glitter all over, including on the bottom there, but they're really adorable. I love their little faces so much. I remember making like little mountain DIYs absolutely ages ago and realised I've never put anything like that on my shop, so I made 3 of those. I then made these 3 little milkshake kind of tea charms. I'm not sure 100% what they were supposed to be because I just made up the little like cup shapes and then just painted them to whatever I fancied at the time. So I have a little grape one here. There we go. It has this little grape painted on there. The little banana one, which I think is more of a milkshake, with the banana painted, and then the peach one, which I adore. I feel like this looks more like a tea though, like a peach tea, but yeah, there's those ones. They're also covered in glitter. All of my charms, I try and put the double split ring on there. If my camera would focus. Yeah, I put a double split ring and then the lobster clasp as well, just because I think it's more secure that way. Some keychains here, so just one in there. These are the pizza keychains. I've made ones like this similar before and everybody really liked them, so I made 3 this time. But I just have these 2 here which are going to be sold individually. As you can see, ton of glitter on that. It's really hard to show like in this light because obviously the glaze is UV resin, it's so shiny, but I've made them with gold keychains, gold hardware, just with the pizzas. I think it suits them so well. Like, look how adorable they are. I actually showed all these pizza DIYs, I think in my last video. I did film me making all of these, so if you want to see that, I'll leave it linked down in the description just in case you haven't. But in that video I made this paper clip, so I thought I'd put the paper clip, my smaller one of the keychain, and a charm all together in like this little bundle, and make this little one-off bundle a little cheaper one. So just the pizza keychain has the glitter on, but there's the little paper clip, there's the little charm, and the keychain as well. Just threw in the paper clip really for free, just because I made it. It's still cheaper to buy the charm and the keychain together without the paper clip in this bundle anyway, so basically the paper clip's free, just the keychain and charm are at a little reduced bundle price, so I'll put them back in there. So like those, I also have a few of the charms separate. These also have like the gold hardware on. We've got a double split ring on there, and then the lobster class as well. I have 4 little pizzas. See, 4 little pizzas in there, ready to rumble. I also made 3 dango polymer clay charms. These ones here might be my favourite from this update. I've never made them before, they were quite tricky. They do have wire all the way through the whole thing to make sure it's fully stable, structured, everything like that. Then obviously the clay, then hand painted, and then there's 3-4 coats of UV resin there to make it super shiny, super secure. Again, double split ring, lobster class, and I have 3 of those. Each one of the little bits has different faces though. Like, look how adorable that is. That's so cute. I also used the wire through the little cup ones as well into the straws because I needed to just protect them. Next, in this little midi one, I have they're little Tamagotchis. That's what they're supposed to be, like little kawaii Tamagotchis. So I have a blue one, a pink one, and a purple one. These again do have glitter on, so if I bring them a little bit closer, hopefully you can see, but it's really hard to show in the light. I'm not sure if you can see it or not. Maybe it'll show up in a different colour. A little bit better. You can see it on the pink there. But yeah, these have glitter on as well. I think these are super adorable. I almost kept this purple one for myself, but I thought I've got to let some go. I need some more clay. Keychains, I have this one here, which is a piece of bacon. This made me laugh so much. I was eating bacon last night and I was like, oh my goodness, I can make a bacon keychain. So I made this late last night after I had bacon. But yeah, we've got the glitter on there. Gold keychain. Look. Oh, it's so cute. Like, just so adorable. Another keychain. This little mushroom boy. I'm obsessed with him. I think he's adorable. I painted all the back and everything like that as well. Just look at that. I've never done a mushroom before, so yeah, really happy to have that one. I also did this little froggy boy. This I posted on my Instagram earlier on just because it's so cute. Look at his little face. I do try and steer away from animals actually. I try and go more like food based, so pretty much everyone here is food apart from the mountains. But I think this is so sweet. Look at his little face. I was almost tempted to keep this one here for myself as well. I might make another one of these ones for myself because I really love that. I think I have a backpack that will go on really well. And then finally for the keychains, this is the last keychain that I have in this one. It's like a little Yakult probiotic drink. I actually wrote it out in Japanese. I'm not sure what that says, but I took it off of a Yakult bottle. I've seen it on a Yakult bottle and I just copied it out. So hopefully it just says like drink or probiotic drink or Yakult or something. I'm not sure, but there's that one. Oh, it's so cute. Again, I love doing like random little foodies with cute little faces on for my bits. I don't know, just love them. So yeah, put those back in there. Underneath the bacons, I also have some little baguettes. Look at these. Oh my goodness, look how adorable these are. So I made these around about 2 weeks ago. This is what started off this shop update because I love the little baguettes. I made keychains of these before and everybody loved them, and I just love my little baguette guys. So we've got some charms now. I've got 4 of these in total ready to go in there. And then last but not least, I also have some avocados. There they are. So the baguettes don't have glitter on and neither do the avocados or the pizza, but these are the avocados. They're kind of like more 3D, these ones, as you can see. Like the little stone in it is raised and it's got like a rounded off back as well. Really love that. Like I said, no glitter on these ones, but I think it just didn't need it, so I left it and I thought that actually it just worked well by itself. So I've got 5 avocados, just because avocados are a staple really, aren't they? So all of my listings will have the sizing, everything like that on there. I am only going to be doing track delivery I think this time because I had 2 parcels go missing last time, or they still haven't turned up like a month later, which I feel so bad for. But they might turn up. I know a few things have been getting delayed because I had a parcel turn up to someone about 2 days ago and that was only supposed to take a week. So from now on for a little bit I am just going to be shipping tracked. I haven't charged the full amount for the tracked. I think it's probably going to be about £7-8 internationally, and I'm going to include UK just standard shipping in the price, and then if people want tracked in that then they can. If you buy 2 things it will be automatically tracked for the UK anyway. I will put that on myself for my own money, but yeah, the tracking or the price of delivery doesn't actually cost the whole price of delivery, so it may still seem a lot but it's still not as much as it actually costs. So I'm actually going to be putting a little bit towards that as well out of the profits of the piece. So when it looks like you're buying a charm, say £6, and then you got to pay £7 delivery, I am sorry about that, but honestly it's going to cost me at least like £3 of that £6 to make up for the shipping. So I'm not going to be making a ton of money off this at all. Please don't anyone think that. I'm just trying to sell my stuff at a cute little affordable price for everyone, and yeah, it's kind of the best that I could do at the moment. So yeah, that is the August shop update. That's all I've got to show you. Clip that down. Hopefully we'll get in some orders and I'll be able to ship them out. All of my orders are still coming with one of these like little prints, which will just have a little thank you note written on the back. The reason that I put these like this instead of business cards, because I think that these are sweeter. They're made on recycled cards, so they do have like specks of colours in and stuff, which I think is kind of cool. But yeah, I think that these can double up and make little prints as well, because then you get a note and a print, and I don't know, I just thought that would be funner rather than a little business card. So yeah, hopefully you have enjoyed today's video looking through this. These are the sorts of videos that usually inspire me to like get creating, get crafting, making a little shop update of my own. I'm loving watching shop updates at the moment of people's and what they've been up to, and like studio vlogs and stuff. So I think I might make a few little videos like that coming forward. So yeah, hopefully you have enjoyed it, and I will see you very soon for another video sometime, and yeah, maybe on my shop later for my shop update. Bye.